I changed the water filter and display says replace water filter dispenser off. I did replace.
What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
It is a Model Pi 22 KSKNSS. It is 1 year old.
How long has this been going on? What have you tried so far?
I replaced filter yesterday and it worked for a little while and then it stopped. I retried putting it in and now I get the message.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it. Is it possible to reset it?
On bottom freezer refrigerators that use the RPF water filter, the unit uses radio frequency identification, RFID, to detect leaks and monitor the filter status. If the white and gray parts on the filter housing, inside refrigerator, are misaligned, the filter is prevented from being properly inserted into the housing. To correct this, insert something round, example, handle end of wooden spoon, into the white portion of manifold in filter housing. Note, do not insert anything sharp inside the filter, such as a screwdriver. Move the end of the spoon toward the open filter cover in the housing in order to match up the white and gray portions. Remove spoon so that the filter can be inserted. Did you replace the filter with a genuine GE filter? If not, the bypass plug must be used.
I did use the Core T replacement filter. I got it from Frigidaire. Having problem finding something to fit or housing? That seemed to have worked.
Great.
But it is now staying to replace filter that it is overdue. This is the new filter.
I believe the refit is not being read properly. Center the cartridge with the cartridge holder with the word front facing outward. Push the cartridge inward until it is fully seated. Front should be centered with the cartridge holder for proper installation. The red indicator should not be visible.
Trying. Now it is not going in at all.
https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals /RFID and feature equals imb_logo and ab_channel equals GE appliances. Here is a video.
I saw the video. It won't snap in now once I took it out. Trying to line it up with a spoon.
Also, look at the black rubber gaskets on the filter to ensure they are not damaged.
They are fine. I think the white and gray are not lined up. Do you have a picture in how it should look? It is in but still getting message to change filter. That's what started this whole thing. At least I have water.
https://www.gapplianceparts.com/store/part/spec/rpf# and git equals 1 and pit equals 1. Can you read front when the filter is installed?
Are you still there?
I believe the issue is the reader is not reading a GE RFID chip. This could be because the sensing device in the refrigerator or the RFID chip in the GE filter. Does the filter say GE on it?
Are we done?
I just wanted to confirm that the water filter is the RFID type. Because I believe the issue is either that the filter does not have a working RFID chip, or the RFID reader is not functioning properly.
Okay, so what happens next?
You would need to confirm that the new filter has the GE RFID chip.
How do I do that?
The new filter should say General Electric RPF.
Want me to send you a picture? It does.
OK. If pressing the reset filter button for 3 seconds doesn't clear, there can only be 3 possible issues. The new filter RFID chip isn't getting close enough to the RFID reader in the refrigerator. The RFID chip on the new filter is defective. The RFID reader is defective.
Where is reset filter button? Customer attachment November 21, 2020 12:59 and 28 seconds AM.
The bottom button, below lock controls. It says reset filter, hold for 3 seconds.
Can you send me a picture? I don't see a button that says reset filter.
https://products.gappliances.com/appliance/heya-spec/pi22kskss/support. The manual can be found here. It has a picture of the button.
My model doesn't have a rest filter button.
Right, PWE model uses a control style B, external controls. That brings us to the B3 possible issues. The new filter RFID chip isn't getting close enough to the RFID reader in the refrigerator. The RFID chip on the new filter is defective. The RFID reader is defective.
What are my next steps? I am getting water. Will it reset if I turn off fridge and then turn it on again?
Right, PWE model uses a control style B, external controls. If the replace filter indicator is staying on, it is because of the new filter RFID chip isn't getting close enough to the RFID reader in the refrigerator. The RFID chip on the new filter is defective. The RFID reader is defective.
I think it is option 1.
Here is another video that may help. https://www.youtube.com/watch v=77 shsf0 and ab_channel = abt electronics.
That's what I did. Do I need to have a service person come out?
Yes, I believe a home appliance technician is needed to continue. Do you need assistance finding one? What is your zip code?
33,473.
I would consider using General Appliance Service. They will come to your home. They are rated 4.8 out of 5 stars with 51 Google reviews. They can be reached at ###. Their website is https://www.generalappliance.com/.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.